Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to this detailed guide on upgrading the RAM in your HP 15BW025NS laptop. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips head screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Now, let's get started with the process. First, power off your laptop and disconnect all cables, including the power cord. It's crucial to prevent any electrical damage during this upgrade. Next, turn your laptop upside down to access the bottom panel. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, carefully remove the screws that secure the panel. Make sure to keep these screws in a safe place, as you'll need them later. Gently pry open the bottom panel using a plastic opening tool. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. Once the panel is removed, you'll see the internal components of your laptop. Take a moment to clean any dust buildup inside using the soft cloth. A clean environment will help with heat dissipation and overall laptop performance. Now, locate the RAM slots. The HP 15BW025NS typically has 2 slots for RAM modules. If there's already a module in place, gently push the metal clips on either side of the RAM stick to release it. If you're unsure about this process or don't have the necessary tools, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get assistance if needed. Once the old RAM is removed, take your new RAM module. Align the notch in the RAM stick with the groove in the slot, then insert it at a slight angle. Press down firmly until the clips click into place, securing the RAM. Repeat this step if you are adding a second module. After installing the RAM, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Carefully replace the bottom panel and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Ensure all screws are tightened properly, as loose screws can lead to hardware issues. Now, power on your laptop. If everything is done correctly, your system should boot up normally. To verify that the new RAM is recognized, you can check the system properties. Right-click on the Start menu, select System, and look for the installed RAM information. If you're not comfortable doing this yourself or encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out. We provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy and convenient for you. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution to your laptop needs. Finally, if you need further assistance or a quote before any repair, we're here to help. Upgrading your RAM is a fantastic way to enhance your laptop's performance, providing a noticeable boost in speed and efficiency. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your upgraded HP 15BW025NS. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.